Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add rows in documents in Google Docs on your phone. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. Find the Google Docs, now open it. Choose one document that you want to add the rows. Simply tap on it. Then here you can find the pencil icon at the bottom corner. Tap on it. Now tap on to the plus sign icon at the top left corner. Here you can find the option of table. Simply tap on it. Then edit the rows of the table. Tap on to the arrow of the rows and the columns and tap on to insert table. Now you can see the rows has been added on your document. Now edit your rows however you want to edit it. And that's it. This is how you can add the rows on your documents in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.